One thing that's just incredible about Bacon Ridge is the vastness of the interior forests. I think I mentioned forest interior dwelling birds earlier. Those are species that are typically long distance migrants, so they nest in this area, then they will migrate in the fall to Central and South America to spend our winter months because they are largely insect eaters and they go where the insects are. But they require about 100, at least 100 acres of contiguous, uninterrupted forest. Gaps accepted; those are okay. But another big component of a healthy interior forest is the understory. If there are deer overbrowse issues, you won't see anything growing below this level. Here we've got real good stands of mountain laurel, and you can see other trees starting to fill in there. Dogwood is another common understory tree, but this is a sign of a very healthy interior forest. Some of the bird species that you'll find in the understory and really require some kind of understory. During the breeding season, worm-eating warblers and ovenbirds typically nest on the ground, so they do need cover on the ground. The thrushes, wood thrush breeds here. We have hermit thrush coming in the wintertime. They don't nest on the ground, but they require a lot of understory just because they require it. And the good thing about that is they will often hop up on a branch that you can get a very good look at them that way. But look for birds in the understory. We also have other birds like towhees that like to scratch in the understory in the leaves. So look on the ground, look just above the ground, and don't forget about the woodpeckers.